Solidarity forever, solidarity forever.
Anelu ipuru lero menyeretu gukoyo ni kiama kia NAT hamwe na arutani ya maundu ma thogumana. Aritariri rugekoyo ni wavishine na kiama gia gutetera arutani NAT kuonania mathogota mao kuri kamiti ya kuandika arutani TSC.
TSC, we are giving you an opportunity and we demand that immediately rectify this payroll. Rectified. Na ulipe walimu pesa yao. Walimu wamefanya kazi, they have been benefiting. There is a CBA in court which is not revoked, and it is law, and we know any action that we shall take.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia NAT Wilson Sossion, kamiti ya kuandika arutani ya TSC ni kurukite agreement iria mekaniriire igoti ni makirakarirwo makiria ni TSC kurenga arutani amwe mushara wao wa mweri wa mugwanja.
Teachers have just closed schools. Ask yourself one question. Which teacher will resume duty in the month of September when an employer has taken away an earning?
Ona kuri uguo NAT moigite oni mehaririria kunanira njung'wa na TSC tauri igoti riathanire kuria morite ministry ya githomo nayo kunyita itemi cia wa mariro itanariruka.
The court ordered that TSC and NAT should sit to revise the schemes of services to align it to the pay structure of the CBA. And that's what we are prepared to do. We are ready even today at midnight.
Sisi si wabaya. Mchokozaji ni nani? Ni yule mwajiri. Kwa hivyo mabaya yakitokea tusilaumiwe sisi kama chama. Yule mwajiri alaumiwe. Nyinyi mnajua ukweli.
Any change shall be changed mutually on the table. And we are prepared. If this engagement is going to be difficult between us and TSC, let the Ministry of Education come in. Because Magoa, your programs will be affected.
Ni ndugamano itanyitwo gwakiriria makiria thutha TSC gukinyiriria ati makoretwo magithingata watho murugamo wa NAT umuthi ukionania kia guitana ndumo na mathomo magatharara mweri twerekeire wa kenda arutwo magicoka gwika igeranio cia muthia wa mwaka. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jetagwo Maina, Kihumo.